During this time of COVID-19, I often find myself overwhelmed and emotionally fatigued. The constant stresses coming from the news and my schoolwork can sometimes get the better of me, and when this happens, I need a way to release stress and regain a sense of calm. To do this, I have cultivated a ritual of walking in nature to serve the purpose of releasing stress and recharging my emotional and mental battery. Much like the Japanese ritual of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, which involves entering the forest and appreciating the beauty of nature and reaping its benefits, I like to go into the forest and detach myself from the real world. Even if for just 5 minutes, I unplug and try to just appreciate the beauty of this piece of nature that exists right down my street. The beauty of this ritual is in its simplicity. It doesn't require any preparation, props, or costumes. All you need is a place in nature where you can let yourself clear your mind. When I go into the woods, I let myself go. I find that my stress and worry melts away with each step, and a childlike sense of wonder and playfulness replaces it, and I am able to enjoy the simple beauty of my surroundings. I feel the sun warming my skin, and I fill my lungs with fresh air, feeling a sense of release with every deep breath. I watch the squirrels and birds. I watch the water rushing down the stream. I watch the light filtering through the leaves. I sit and listen to the beautiful sounds that are present and let myself get lost in the moment. When I am ready, I leave the forest, feeling rejuvenated and relaxed, ready to reconnect with the world and continue on with my day.